How to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unlink your Instagram account from Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can do this both ways. You can do this from the Facebook app, or you can simply do this from the Instagram application. So first of all, let me show you from the Facebook app. Once you open up Facebook, tap the three lines icon here, then just tap the gear icon to come to settings. Then you'll find account center, tap on it. Once you tap on account center, here you'll find the option called profile, so just tap on it again, and then here you'll find the Instagram account. Tap on it and then just select the option called delete the profile over here. So you just want to make sure to delete the profile by coming back again, going to accounts over here, and then right over here you'll find the Instagram account, so tap on remove. Now the other way you can do this is via the Instagram app. So open up Instagram, come to the profile page, and first of all switch to the correct account, then tap the three lines icon, then just go to settings, then you want to go to account center from here as well, and then this time also you want to make sure to simply select accounts and then simply remove the Facebook account from the list by tapping the remove button here. This way both your Instagram and your Facebook is going to be unlinked, and if you want to link them again, you can just go ahead and link them together as well. That's it on how you can unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.